Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Shopify account. So firstly, go to a web browser and search Shopify. Then click on the second link. Then log into your store. Simply click on your store. Then go to settings at the bottom left corner. Then click on plan. Then just simply click on deactivate trial or deactivate store, whatever you may find on your plans page. Simply click on that. Then choose a reason why you are deactivating the trial. You can also add an extra comment if you want to, but it's optional, so you can just simply skip this. And after giving the reason, just simply press continue. Then enter your Shopify password and then just simply click deactivate now. And the store will be deactivated and will no longer be accessible to you. That's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.